Office Timeline for Google Docs allows you to seamlessly integrate your Office Timeline online visuals into Google Docs, ensuring that your project visuals remain accurate, current, and ready for presentation. In this video, we'll go through how to install Office Timeline for Google Docs, how to get started with it, how to insert your timelines into Google Docs, and how to edit them. Let's start with how to install Office Timeline for Google Docs. In your web browser, visit the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Office Timeline. Select the app, click Install, and grant any necessary permissions. Once installed, you'll find Office Timeline in the Google Docs side panel. Next, to get started with Office Timeline for Google Docs, all you have to do is add a title or some text to your document, then click on Get Started in the side panel. You can create a new Office Timeline online account for free if you don't already have one. Or you can log into an existing account by clicking here. Once you are logged in, you can begin creating and saving timelines in Office Timeline Online. If you're new to that, check out the Office Timeline Online Quick Start video to get you up and running in no time. You can find it in the Office Timeline Online Support Center. When you're done creating an Office Timeline Online, you can go back to the Google Docs side panel to view and access your timelines. To insert a timeline into Google Docs, you can either search for it in the Office Timeline for Google Docs side panel, or you can click on Browse My Timelines. To open a new window with all of your timelines, select the one you're looking for and click Insert Timeline. Finally, to edit your timeline, simply go to the thumbnails in the side panel and click the pencil icon associated with the timeline you wish to edit. This will launch the Office Timeline web app where you can make your desired adjustments. When you are done, make sure to save the project. After you edit your timeline, it might take some time for the changes to reflect in Google Docs. To ensure you see the latest updates, remember to click the refresh button. And now let's select the latest version. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.